Okay, so we've got our plans for the day. We'll see how it all goes. So first we're going to clean Scoopy. So Amanda's left the Scoopy keys on the bed. Yep. So Amanda's going to go and get the keys for Scoopy. See, things are going wrong already. So, yeah, as you can see, the cats have been on the Scoopy. So, before we had Jay, then we got Amanda. Now the Scoopy's cool for cats. As you can see, the paw prints. So, going to clean the Max, going to clean the Scoopy, and then table tennis. Now, Amanda's got a thing about the Scoopy being packed over there in that space because there's lots of room both sides and the bike don't get damaged. So the NMAX just behind this bike here, that's going to get into the Scoopy's place. I don't know why we don't do the NMAX first, and then it don't matter. I just don't know why anymore. Okay, so here we have the NMAX, the hula hoop, and the Scoopy, all going to be cleaned today. That's our first job of the day. So Amanda can bring the Scoopy down for the car wash and we'll go and do it. Okay, so I'm the one that's walking. I can hear the bike coming. There's the Scoopy, and off she goes to the car wash. Okay, so today, like I've just been told, is Sunday. So it's either the 3rd or the 4th of August. So another couple of months and you'll be seeing the frosts in England. Something you'll never see over here. So there's Amanda getting the water for the bike wash. There's your old Scoopy J, your baby. Ready for a proper clean, not like the last one. Okay, so I think Amanda's nearly ready. She's got the soapy water, sponge.
I want to take
What's that?
Yeah.
You want it on main stand? Okay, I'll do that. Okay, so we're more or less ready to go. Okay, Jay, so I've just been looking inside the little glove compartment area of your bike and I found this. Now, look at the state of it now. Got loads of rust due to no use. That was like gleaming stainless steel a couple of months ago. As you can see by the bike, you don't actually need a clean, but he's going to get one. And I'm going to have to help in a minute as well. So I'll leave it running. Look, she's boss giving me orders again. Chief Dave, help. I've got to go. Okay, let me just get the video proper. Okay, finish very quickly. You finish? Right. Top to bottom. Don't miss anything. Who do you think's working the hardest, me or Amanda? I told you it's not dirty. just gets dirty from bike shed. Meow. I just heard a ming ming. Oh, did you bring money? I've got no money. Hold on, I need water. Where you go with water? You're not helpful at all. Okay, I think finished. You not have money. Don't forget. I'll have a look in my bag in a minute.
No, I only can use in the big not really small. Out. What's the finish? Not finish.
Not finished.
Go again.
You go again. Okay, I'll do that. Okay, so Amanda's drying the bike, and I've got this and this pink stuff, which is polish. You didn't get none of this polish with Jay, had it? take 10 baht.
If you send 10 baht, I 30 baht.
Oh, that's okay.
No, about it.
Yeah.
Ơi, anh nhà
Get it, Max, yeah. So that is the end of the Scoopy getting a wash. Now for the NMAX.
Money, money, money.
No money, no honey. Fucking hell. He'd be like Coco the Clown soon, do you know what I mean?
Lady boy.
Mate.
Bless him, he loves it, Log, he loves
Clown
it.
fetish. That's all I'm going to say.
Yeah, watching.
Should have brought one of my wigs, Dave.
What do you think? No good.
She's not she's not bothered.
She's thinking she should have paid you.
Papa, you boom boom.
Hey.
Papa Boom Boom. No. Ooh, let's rock it. Let's get this party started. What the?